Welcome to Aurora's Nature Notes, where we invite you to discover Aurora's true nature. We know from past stories of Aurora settlers that life on the prairie had its challenges. Today we're going to take a look at wildflowers. Wildflowers teach us how to overcome those harsh prairie challenges with beauty and grace. One of the biggest challenges to prairie life is the lack of water. Many Aurora wildflowers, like this golden aster, conserve water by keeping their cool with lighter colored, small, and thin leaves. Some of Aurora's showiest wildflowers, like this prickly pear, have no leaves at all. Prickly pears also have another water-saving feature, a waxy coat on the outside, which helps keep water in. Another challenge to prairie life is wind. Many Aurora wildflowers, like this scarlet gara, keep a low or thin profile. This keeps them from getting damaged on blustery days. One of the greatest challenges to a plant's prairie life are herbivores, or animals that eat plants. Herbivores possess many weapons of grass destruction, including specialized teeth, specialized stomachs, and a taste for fruits, roots, and shoots. A great example of how to battle herbivores comes from this native wavy leaf thistle. Wavy leaf thistles are covered with spines. That helps protect themselves from herbivores. One essential part of being an Aurora wildflower is attracting pollinators. Wildflowers need to somehow grab the attention of busy pollinators if they want to make more seeds for next year. Some wildflowers use color to attract pollinators. This native lupine uses a blue color to attract native bumblebees. The bright red hue of this plains paintbrush is meant to draw pollinators like the broad-tailed hummingbird right out of the sky. Wildflowers like this woods rose use sweet and alluring scents to attract pollinators to them. Some Aurora wildflowers, like this Cutleaf Evening Primrose, open a white bloom with a rich scent early in the evening to attract moths. Some wildflowers are very specific about who they attract. The long, narrow throat of this one-sided penstemon will only allow certain pollinators all the way in. Some Aurora wildflowers, like this bush sunflower, have a more open, welcoming design, welcoming any kind of pollinator, even clumsy ones with short tongues. We invite you to take a moment to enjoy the beauty of your local wildflowers, not only because they're pretty, but also to appreciate the tough prairie settlers that they are. We'll see you again on Nature Notes.